Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banner on AliExpress app. To know how to fix or how to solve banner on AliExpress app, you should just go settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of AliExpress. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.